Imagine getting a 120Hz display, 5G, stereo speakers, and a massive 5000 mAh battery, all for just $299. Sounds like a steal, right? But here's the real question. Is the Moto G Power 2025 actually good, or is it just another budget phone with a fancy name? Stick around, because this one has some surprises you don't want to miss. Motorola has been in the budget game for years, and they're back with the Moto G Power 2025, a phone that promises smooth performance, solid cameras, and crazy battery life. But can it actually deliver? Let's break it down. Design build quality. When you pick up the Moto G Power 2025, the first thing you notice is the textured eco-leather back. It gives the phone a premium feel, even though the frame is plastic. And it's IP68/IP69 rated, meaning it can handle dust, water, and even high-pressure jets. But keep in mind, this doesn't mean you can throw it into extreme conditions and expect it to survive. At 208 grams, it's a bit heavy, but that's expected with a big battery. You also get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is quick and reliable. Display, smooth 120Hz. But is it good? The 6.8-inch IPS LCD comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animation smooth. However, it's not an OLED panel, so don't expect deep blacks or punchy colors. That said, the brightness reaches 993 nits, meaning outdoor visibility is solid. For a phone in this price range, that's impressive. When it comes to performance, powering the Moto G Power 2025 is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. It's an octa-core chip, paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, plus a microSD card slot if you need more space. But how does it perform? AnTuTu scores hit 440,530, while Geekbench shows 2090 in multi-core tests. This means it can handle everyday tasks, social media, and light gaming with ease. But if you're into heavy gaming, you'll notice frame drops in demanding titles like Genshin Impact, Cameras Test. Let's be honest, budget phones and great cameras. The 50MP main camera does a solid job in daylight, giving you sharp and detailed shots. The 8MP ultra-wide is nice to have, but it's nothing mind-blowing. Low light? Not its strong point. Photos can get a bit noisy, and night mode helps, but it's not magic. For selfies, you get a 16MP front camera. It's decent, good enough for social media, but not something that'll replace a flagship selfie camera. A video recording? Limited to 1080p at 30fps. No 4K, but honestly, at this price, it's not surprising. Battery life, the real star of the show. This is where the Moto G Power lives up to its name. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day and more. Even if you're a heavy user, it'll keep going without making you reach for the charger. In real-world usage, it scored an active use time of 11 hours 56 minutes, which is crazy good. Charging, 30W wired charging, not the fastest, but decent. 15W wireless charging, a rare feature at this price. Speakers, features software, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos? Yes. 3.5mm headphone jack? Yes. NFC FM radio? Yes. And the best part? It runs on Android 15, with no unnecessary bloatware. Motorola keeps things clean and simple, making the experience smooth. So, is the Moto G Power 2025 worth buying? If you want a phone that lasts all day, has a smooth display, and handles daily tasks without lag, this is a great choice for $299. But if you need flagship-level cameras or hardcore gaming power, you might want to look elsewhere. Would you buy it, or do you think there's a better option for the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this video helped, hit that like button.